Hello everybody, this is Mr. G, and today we're going to be going over how to do step 1, programming drums in your GarageBand project. So I'm going to swipe down the center of the screen to pull up the search. I'll type in GAR, and there is GarageBand. So if you've used GarageBand before, you might have a screen like this, you might have a screen like this. Regardless of where you are, you're going to want to hit this right here, top left corner. And then you will hit the plus sign up at the top right to start a new song. If you have not used GarageBand before, you will probably see something like this. And you're going to want to go to Drums and then click on Beat Sequencer. So here we have our beat sequencer, how we're going to be writing drum beats. You can see that there are 4 groups of 4 blocks. Each group of 4 represents 1 beat. Alright, so this whole thing, all 16 blocks, would be 1 bar or 1 measure. So to start out, we're going to put closed hi-hat, and if you hit this green button at the bottom, that will make it stop playing. Then we want snare drum on beat 2, which is right here, because it is the first square in the second group, and 4, right there. Then kick drum, we'll keep it really simple. If you want to copy everything I'm doing, that would be great. Alright, and then we can test it out by hitting this green circle down here. And that sounds good. We are ready to record. So we're going to hit this red circle at the top center. It's going to give us 4 beats to count in. And then once we're done, right here, there will be a white square that we'll hit in order to stop. So we'll hit it, we'll let it repeat 4 times through, then let it go a little bit over. First time through, second time through, third time, fourth time, and a little bit over, and we are good. Now we're going to go to the track view, which is up at the top left corner right here. And this neon green item, that is what we just recorded. So you can listen to it. And then you can hit the white square to stop playing. Now, if you tap on this once, you'll get a white outline. What we want to do is we want to grab this handle on the right side and pull it to right there. Alright, so it goes all the way up to bar 5, but not over at all. Cool, so now we have 4 beats, 4 bars of a drum beat. Now, we want our song to be twice as long, so I'm going to hit the plus sign up over here, section A, and we're going to go from 8 bars to 16 bars, and then we'll click off of that. Perfect. Now if I double click this, I'm going to do copy. Now take your time selection tool, which is this thing that I'm moving right here, and put it at 5.1. Now if you double click in a space just a little bit to the right of our last item, hit paste. Perfect. Again, paste, and again, paste. Now we have 16 bars of a drum beat. You can click this button here and it'll go back, or if you want, you can click and hold the time selection tool, bring it to the start, you can hit play. Excellent. So now here's how we turn in our assignment. Click up here at the top left corner, and that's going to save our assignment. Alright, so it's a good habit to get into, to hit that every couple minutes, that way you don't lose anything. Now we'll take this song, click and hold, go to share, and select Song. You can pick high quality or medium quality. Either of those will work. Put your name in as the artist composer, and then also come up with a school appropriate album name and click Share. You're going to want to save to files. And this part might take a little while. Great, so when you first get to this, you might see something like this. I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to change it to my name. Now I'm going to put in step 1, because we are doing the step 1 assignment. Now, where do I want to save it? If you have a folder that you like to use, you can use that. What I like to do is I go to the drop down for GarageBand, click GarageBand File Transfer, and save. And it should be all set to go to Schoology now. So I'm going to go over to Schoology, and I'm going to go, and I got here by going to Courses. I selected the one that said Music. Once I got there, I clicked on Unit 3 Intro to GarageBand, and we just did step 1. And in your view, in the student view, there should be a button somewhere over here to upload the assignment. Then you would want to click the part where you get to attach a file. Alright, go to the folder where you saved your song, and then hit submit, and you will be all set.